Okay, first of all, let's take an example of an array. Today we are going to do a reverse number. First of all, we will declare our variable, which will be I. Array size will be fixed. Here we have 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. We'll declare the temporary variable, and we'll declare other n is equal to 5 variable as well. Now what we're gonna do in a reverse number is, there's a simple logic. So in reverse number we are going to simply do the swapping between the first element and the last element. So it is going to happen like this: 10 it's going to swap between 50, 20 is going to swap between the 40. So it is going to swap between each other. So swapping means happen between two elements. So it's going to happen a pair element, right? So if it's odd, it's not going to swap. So the middle part we have a single pair, that is odd, right? This is not going to swap. So this is the same logic. We are going to swap to each other, but only between the pairing with each other. If there is pair, they are going to swap it, otherwise it's not going to swap. So basically that is a logic we will print into the our code. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than n divided by 2, because swapping happens between only the even number, not in the odd number. So odd means a single, even means a pair. So now the simple logic, we are going to swap between first element and the last element. So array, our I will be equal to the temporary, and our array I will be equal to what? It will be equal to array that will be n minus 1 minus I. So this is our last number. If array is 0, there will be what number? So if array is 0, which is n means 5 minus 1 minus 0, that is 4 element. So array 0 is equal to array 4. So array 0 will be 10, array 4 will be 50, right? So it is going to swap between each other. So array n minus 1 minus I is equal to temporary. Now we are going to print reverse number is. So why are we going to print outside the loop? Why not inside the loop? Because I want the result, every element will be swapped, not only the first and last. If I write inside the loop, it is going to only print the first and last element. So I don't want that result. I want first of all swap the number, and then after print the reverse number. Now we will print our final and less than I plus plus, and then we are going to print simply our separating the data type. It's in the integer, right? So here we are going to print the I. Okay, array I. So first let's see in our terminal if it's going to work or not. Sometimes it happens when, okay, let's swap. First of all, temp is equal to array I. So this logic will be good. See, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So